In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to bring Reddit onto your Mac, and use it like it's a real app instead of just another browser tab. If you've been looking for a Reddit app for Mac, you've probably noticed it's not available. But there's a smart workaround built right into Safari that most people completely overlook. Let's go step by step. First, launch Safari on your MacBook. Once you're in, head over to www.reddit.com and let the site load. You can start exploring right away, but for the full experience, your home feed, communities, and notifications, sign into your account. Now here's the part that makes the difference. Move up to the menu bar at the top, click on File, then choose Add to Dock. A small setup window will appear. Give it a name if you want, something like Reddit, then confirm by clicking Add, and you're done. Take a look at your dock. Reddit is now there like any other app. When you open it, it runs in its own space, separate from Safari, with no extra clutter around it. It feels more focused, quicker to access, and honestly a lot better if you check Reddit regularly throughout the day. That's the whole process. Quick and clean. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward Mac tips. See you in the next one.